Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we are going to solve the system of equation using Gauss's elimination method. So this is the system of equation given x plus 2y plus z is equals to 3, 3x plus 2y plus z is equals to 3, and x minus 2y minus 5z equals to 1. Okay, so let me write the system of equation in this form. Ax is equals to b. So a is the coefficient of x, and x are the unknowns, and b is the constant matrix. So let me write it. A is what? 1 2 1 and 3 2 1. X sorry, I'm so sorry. 1 minus 2 and minus 5. And here we have got, sorry, I'm just so much confused here. So this is a, and this is the unknown x, y and z, which is equals to the constant matrix. Okay, 3 3 and 1. Now we will find the augmented matrix of this. So that is easily written. A matrix A B together, or A is to B. So 1 2 1 3 2 1 1 minus 2 minus 5. Okay, 3 3 1. So this is the augmented matrix we have. Now we will perform some row transformation, elementary row transformation, to transform this to the upper triangular matrix. So upper triangular matrix means I want 0 0 and 0 in these three places, and all the other elements in the upper triangular matrix should be most probably non-zeros. Okay, so I'm going to use the echelon form or elementary row transformation. So this is going to be okay. As I'm starting to transform now, this matrix is as I want it. Okay, starting with 1, satisfying the echelon form condition. Okay, now I'm changing this row 2, performing some elementary row operation to row 2, so that this becomes 0. So what I'll perform is row 2 changing to row 2 minus 3 row 1. So if I perform this, 3 minus 3, it is going to be 0. 2 minus 6, it is going to be minus 4. 1 minus 3, it is going to be minus 2. 3 minus 9, it is going to be minus 6. Okay, performing some elementary row transformation to the row 3 as well. So row 3 minus row 1, so that I can get 1 minus 1 0 here. Minus 2 minus 2, it is going to be minus 4. Minus 5 minus 1, it is going to be minus 6. And 1 minus 3, it is going to be minus 2. I hope this is very clear now. Okay, so what I can do is, here, as all the numbers here are negative, I will just change it to positive. Okay, I will just change it to positive. So 1 2 1. Okay, 3. This one, what I'm doing is, row 2 I'm multiplying with minus 1 into row 2. So if I do that, it becomes like 4 2 and 0 4 2 and 6, right? And this one I'll write it as it is, because later if I add these two, this and this might get cancelled, right? Yeah, it will get cancelled if I add row 2 and row 3. So now I have minus 6 and minus 2. Okay, now I have 1 2 1 is to 3, 0, what I can do, 4 2 is to 6. Row 3 I can change it to row 3 plus row 2, right? If I do this, 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 4 plus 4 is 0, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, which is equals to, sorry, is to minus 2 plus 6 is minus 4. sorry, plus 4, it is plus 4. Minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4, because the highest number is a positive. So here we got the reduced form, echelon form, right? Now what can we do? We can find the unknowns using the Gauss's elimination method. Okay, that is x, y, z. We are going to find the x, y, z. So I have like whatever is remaining, 1, 2 and 1. So this is x plus 2y plus z, which is equals to 3. Correct? Here it is going to be 4y plus 2z equals to 6. Here it is going to be minus 4z equals to 4. From the system of reduced upper triangular form, this is from this what I have found. X, okay, plus 2y plus z equals to 3. 4y plus 2z equals to 6. Minus 4z is equals to plus 4. So using that, I have found these equations. So from here, I can write the value of z equals to minus 1. Right? I can substitute this value in this equation. So I will get 4y plus 2 into minus 1 is equals to 6. 4y minus 2 is equals to 6. 4y is equals to 6 plus 2. Y is equals to 8 by 4, which is equals to 2. Now value of z and y I can substitute here to find the value of x. X plus 2 into 2 plus minus 1, right, which is equals to 3, Now x plus 4 minus 1 equals to 3. X plus 3 equals to 3. I am going to get, this is 4 minus 1, so 4 minus 1, 3. X plus, this is going to be x plus 3 is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3 minus 3, which is equals to 0. Right? So value of x is what? 0. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't understood this, I'll tell you, solve the system of equation using Gauss's elimination method. This is a system of equation given. I have written it like ax equals to b, and the augmented form is this. So the thing is, we have to convert this into upper triangular form, upper triangular matrix using the echelon form or elementary row transformation. So this, all the elements below the diagonal has to become 0. We have to make them 0. So the first, according to the echelon form rule, the first element has to be 1, and all the other rows, the lower these elements has to be 0. So I have performed some row operations to get this upper triangular matrix finally. So as I got that, using that, I got the value of z. These 3 equations I got the value of z, and then I got the value of y, and then I got the value of x. I hope this is clear. I hope this video, I hope you found this video very helpful, and I want you to share this with your friends and everyone who needs this, who needs to watch this, understand this, to get a better understanding of these concepts. Thank you so much for watching.